This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, a navigation system, heated front seats, 9 strategically placed speakers, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Southwest Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3000 Fort Worth Highway in Weatherford.